Hi, my name is Sonam Srivastav, and I work as a Senior Associate Product Manager at JP Morgan and Chase. It's been close to a year and a half me working here at the Chase. Before that, I was working with different multiple domain orgs like Logistic with Ford Motors, then Wells Fargo, Cognizant. Overall, I have 9+ years of experience with 2+ years of experience in product management role. So before that, I'll let you know what was my previous role. So my previous role was a QA engineer. So I was working very closely with cross-functional teams like UX team, the product teams, engineers for the development, and the support teams after the development is done. So during that phase of my life, I was working with Wells Fargo, and that's where I was working very closely with product managers. So there I used to see how they are gathering the requirement, how are they processing the raw requirement to find out what next we will have to build. So I was participating on those conversations, and that's what I was very fascinated by the role. Because if we talk about the engineering or QA side point, we get a daily base work, and we should deliver at the end of the day. We jump into the new one. That was the end goal. But here the end goal was not restricted. You're not just looking into 2 days you have to complete it. Not like that. It was something where you're deep diving onto what problem we are solving, and is that really a problem? Does this will help customer in the future if they want to use it? And sometimes the product looks very glossy, but the customer is not using it. I felt that in my Wells Fargo journey. That's how I got really, really inspired by this role. The first thing that really worked out for me, because I was coming from an engineering background, is I used to think more on the solution, think more on the how to implement it and how soon to deliver it. But coming to the IPL, it actually helped me to think a 2 step before, why are we solving this? Is it really a problem? Because sometimes what happens, people say it's a problem, but if you try to solve it, nobody will use it, right? So those are the initial discussions, initial thought process IPL helped me have. So that was one takeaway for me. I was started thinking on the initial why part of it. And the second thing it helped me out was I was very curious how UX designer work. And I know I was choosing a path of a product manager. I was not choosing a part of a UX. But the course actually helped me in understand how UX designing works. So these understandings I got from IPL. So not just product management, I actually learned how to connect with any other stakeholders I'm working with. So during my learning course, I was actually pregnant. And thankfully, because it was, I'm not saying thankfully because of COVID, because it was an offline course, I was able to connect with great people, and my pregnancy journey went really smooth because I was doing something which I was really liking. So I connected with very lot of people during my journey, and luckily I got partnered with someone who was also pregnant along with me. So it was really great experience, and it was my course got completed on the same week that I delivered. So I had a very fun journey throughout. So yeah, I'm actually that's my memory, and whenever I think about my pregnancy, IPL comes along with it. With this course, I actually got to understand because there is no boundaries for product manager, to be honest. Because for tech teams, it's okay, you developed, your job is done. It's already the market, now it's developed. But for product managers, you need to work on pre-launch, you need to work on discovery, you will need to work on during the development and post-launch, like metrics, calculations and everything. So for me, if I have to advise someone who is very new to the market, new to the product management, is that you have to be very patient. This role makes you humble because you connect with many people. There are many different teams, different companies have different role expectations, but you have to keep learning. And if you are starting from initial time, then it's good. But if you're starting mid and you're transitioning, you should be open about that this role may take you from a starting point. If you have already been senior engineer, but if you're starting from product manager role, because the management role, you have to go from a zero. So keep that in mind before you want to move into product management.